Perched on a green hillside near Bilbao, Azurmendi has always cared about the environment. In the next few minutes, we will walk you through how the Azurmendi complex was built from the ground up. The construction of the restaurant complex reflects our desire to live in harmony with our surroundings. The first step in the process begins with clearing away plants and soil, which were carefully stored to be used for revegetation. The original plants were placed under a wide biodegradable net and later replanted with new vegetation. At higher elevations, willow trees were planted to protect the soil from erosion. To clean and filter the runoff water, a holding tank was constructed in the ditch. To minimize the amount of solids that could reach the river, natural straw filters were built inside the ditch. Runoff water is filtered through the straw and cleared of sediment before re-entering the water supply. The material used to build the retaining walls was made of sustainable cement and a high proportion of slag. Use of slag in cement minimizes the environmental impact of concrete by reducing carbon footprint and greenhouse gas emissions. Living retention walls were built using bioengineered landscapes to minimize the steep slopes without using either concrete or stone blocks. In the basement, innovative recycled plastic in curved shapes created a hollow space for air and natural ventilation below. Interior partition walls were made from wooden panels, which are prefabricated for use in construction. The reinforced wooden framework was made with local pine that arrived cut to size and ready for use. To naturally maintain the temperature in the complex, in front of the main entrance, 18 holes were drilled 125 meters into the earth to harness its geothermal energy. A pine wood roof is used as a rainwater deposit. It fills up like a tank, and the water is then used to irrigate the kitchen gardens on top of it. Stored rainwater can also be used in case of fire. Photovoltaic panels were placed in the south-facing side of the roof to capture solar energy, which helps to illuminate the building. All the glass walls of the building contain a significant percentage of recycled material. The wooden framework is exposed and natural. No harmful varnishes were used. The ceilings and the adhesives are all made from recycled materials. The atrium boasts several tree sculptures that have been used to conceal air vents. The entire floor, except the kitchen, uses a low-temperature heated flooring system powered by geothermal energy. The innovative dry system doesn't require radiators and uses natural energy to control the ambient temperature. The atrium garden is open to the ground floor below, allowing for natural rainwater to irrigate the plants. The atrium tables have a dual function to promote air circulation. The tree sculptures push air into the atrium, and the tables return it into the system. The dining room is also filled with nature. Decorative prints give off the air of a mysterious forest. The use of transparency, natural light, and lighting changes the ambiance of the room depending on the time, day, and season. The control box of the grid-connected photovoltaic system is located in the atrium. In the basement, we find the machinery that keeps the complex running. The heat pump for geothermal energy is used to regulate the temperature and control the air conditioning. There is also a tank that collects water from the roof to be used to irrigate the kitchen garden and the plumbing. Finally, a pumping system for fire safety is also installed. On the roof are the kitchen gardens, which are irrigated by rainwater. We hope you have enjoyed this journey with us, learning how our complex reflects our commitment to nature and our natural surroundings. Welcome to Azurmendi.